Three little frogs on a lily pad, big bright eyes, looking so glad. Green, blue, and yellow, a colorful crew, in a pond so clear, under sky so blue. Hopping and splashing, they leap so high, chasing fireflies across the sky. One little frog takes a slippery dive, splash in the water, he comes alive. Croak, 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 they sing a sweet song on a lily pad where they all belong. Big eyes shining, so full of cheer. Three little frogs, the pond's delight so dear. Raindrops fall, pitter-patter so light. Lily pad umbrellas, a froggy delight. Splashing and laughing, they dance in the rain. Three little frogs, happy again. Sunset glows, the day turns to night. Fireflies twinkle, a magical light. Three little frogs with eyes so bright, dreaming sweet dreams under stars so white. Eyes close softly, the day is done. Three little frogs sleep under the moon and sun, in the quiet pond where dreams take flight. Good night, little frogs, sweet dreams tonight.
TuttuguttuTV.